Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a medium size fully budget DSLR camera bag of 2020. This is a JECTI camera bag and I have been using this bag for a couple of weeks, and today we are gonna review this bag, and I will also drop some of my opinions and share with you how was my experience using this medium size DSLR bag from JECTI. Let's start with the build quality and later we will catch up with the price. The bag is sturdy and has soft processed internal compartment protecting your camera and other device inside. The bag is perfectly made for outdoor photography as the zipper design and the padded dividers protect your camera from theft or the accidental falling. The bags from outside looks small, however it has a pretty decent space for storage. This is the main compartment and you can see it has enough room to hold your camera and lens at the same time. The outside pockets provide excellent storage space for the items like water bottles, smartphones, flashlights. Since it has a pocket on the both sides, I use the other pockets only for my chargers and the data cables and some wire stuff. Since this is a medium size bag, it has a various advantages like you can access your DSLRs and other accessories without even taking it off, and it has been very useful for me as I can access everything instantly. The bag is lightweight and is very compact. The shoulder strap can be adjusted to the appropriate length and this helps to any people of different heights. And it also has a handed belt, so it is very convenient for outdoor photography as you can pick up and hold the bag on the go. And the material used in the making of this bag is pretty good considering the price that comes with it. And the price of this bag is $30, which is pretty affordable even if you just bought a new DSLR and you are in a limited budget. I have given the link in the description and you can buy this product from there. The Dacron material and the padded design everywhere in this bag makes it not only durable for daily wear and tear, but also makes it very easy to use, giving you comfortable feeling when you carry the bag. The bag is also the water resistant, so it will cover up some spills. And overall a great bag if you are a photographer or even a videographer who only requires a small amount of personal storage space. But it is less suitable for those with a medium or the large build who uses more than couple of lenses and needs more space for the personal items. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any feedback for me, you can write me in the comment section. I will highly appreciate it, and before leaving, make sure you have liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Stay safe during this pandemic and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.